Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to do the Zulu spin. Like always, before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button, also turn on the notification icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. Step 1, you're gonna bend one of your leg and straighten out the other. It depends on which side you want to go first. For my case, I'm gonna go to the right side. So I'm gonna straighten out my right leg and I'm bending my left leg. Okay, now step 2, you're gonna spin your upper body to the right side. So when you're doing that, look at my right foot carefully. I'm gonna spin from the side of my foot to my toe. Turn, spin. After the spin, you're gonna continue until you reach to the same or the first positions again. So now let's combine all the steps. Step 1, and then spin, turn, and back to the first pose. After learning from one side, now you can switch and turn to the other side, alright? So just do the whole thing reverse. Now in my right leg straight, I'm gonna bend it. I'm gonna straighten out my left leg. Now I'm gonna spin to the left side. After master both sides, now you can switch from one side to the other. So start from the same positions. I'm gonna turn to the right side, stop, and then I'm gonna switch my leg. I'm gonna turn to the other side and switch again. Turn, switch, turn, switch. There you go, the Zulu spin tutorial. Make sure you master this both sides and then mix and match with the other footworks. Okay, that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.